Welcome to our English speaking practice video. Today's topic is my favorite food. This lesson covers all levels from beginner to advanced. Watch, listen, and practice speaking with me. Beginner level. My favorite food is fried rice, and I eat it very often. I like fried rice because it tastes very good. It is made with rice, eggs, and vegetables. Sometimes my mother adds chicken or fish. She cooks it in the kitchen at home. When she cooks fried rice, the smell is very nice. I usually eat fried rice for lunch or dinner. I eat it with a spoon and a fork. Fried rice makes me feel happy and full. That is why fried rice is my favorite food. Elementary, pre-intermediate level. My favorite food is fried rice, and it is one of the foods I enjoy the most. I like it because it is delicious and easy to cook at home. Fried rice is usually made with rice, eggs, vegetables, and sometimes meat like chicken or pork. My mother often cooks it for our family, especially when we are busy. When the food is ready, it smells very good and looks colorful. I usually eat fried rice with my family during lunch or dinner. It makes me feel full and gives me energy for the day. I like fried rice because it is simple, tasty, and comforting. Intermediate level. My favorite food is fried rice because it is simple, delicious, and very convenient. It is a popular dish in many countries, and each country has its own style. Fried rice is made using rice, eggs, vegetables, and different kinds of meat or seafood. I like this food because it does not take much time to prepare. I often eat fried rice when I am busy or when I do not want to cook something complicated. My favorite fried rice is homemade because it tastes fresher and healthier. I also like the fact that fried rice can be cooked using leftover rice. For me, fried rice is a perfect meal that I can enjoy at any time of the day. Upper intermediate level. My favorite food is fried rice, a dish that I never get bored of eating. One reason I like it is because it is extremely flexible and can be prepared in many different ways. Depending on what ingredients are available, I can add vegetables, chicken, shrimp, beef, or even tofu. Another reason I enjoy fried rice is that it is quick to make and very satisfying. I usually eat it for lunch when I want something filling but not too heavy. Fried rice is also a great way to use leftover rice, which helps reduce food waste. The combination of taste, smell, and texture makes it enjoyable every time I eat it. In my opinion, fried rice is not just a meal, but a comfort food that reminds me of home. Advanced level. My favorite food is fried rice because it perfectly balances simplicity, flavor, and emotional value. Although it is made from basic ingredients such as rice, eggs, and vegetables, it can be transformed into many different variations across cultures. In my family, fried rice was often prepared as a way to use leftover rice, which taught me the importance of being practical and avoiding food waste. Over the years, this dish has become closely connected to family meals and warm memories from my childhood. Whenever I eat fried rice, I feel a sense of comfort, nostalgia, and satisfaction. I also appreciate how this dish reflects creativity, as each cook adds their own personal touch. In a broader sense, fried rice shows how simple food can bring people together and create lasting memories. For these reasons, fried rice is not only my favorite food, but also a meaningful part of my life. Great job for practicing with me! If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment about your favorite food in English. See you in the next lesson.